Hello, students. I hope this finds you well. Today, I'd like to start our celebration. We will continue it when we speak on Friday, but for today, I'd like to celebrate with you as well. I am going to turn off my video so that I can share my screen with you and we can go through my little presentation. Okay, here we go. Celebrating summer 2020. So summer 2020 celebration. Congratulations, you did it. I am going to save this special part for when we speak on the phone. So stay tuned, it'll be great. I'd like to thank student Desalin Jenber. Thank you a million times. Thank you for your help. You were amazing in helping with our language and with our students, and I just so much appreciate everything that you did, and so thank you. So let's look at everything we did this summer. We had 10 weeks of class by distant learning. We had 11 students, and we had more than 180 hours of distant learning, which is phenomenal when you think about 180 hours. We used two different learning platforms. We used Uber Conference, which we're going to use next time. And we also used, or we tried to use, freeconferencecall.com. Not so well for that one, but our Uber Conference calls were tremendous. You all knew that when the phone rang at your specific time, whether it was 9 o'clock, 10:15 for a while we did, or 10 o'clock for a while we did 11:15, you all knew that it was time for your class and you were prepared, and that made a difference on how our class went. So thank you, great job. You need to be very proud of the work that you did. I'd also like to save this part for our phone calls as well, because it's your turn now. If you'd like to say something, this is the time for you to speak out, to tell me, to tell other students, to tell people from Spring Institute and from the ACAA administrative classes, Dr. Cog. This is your time to tell us about you and how you persevered through these classes. So please try and think of something to share. So questions. I have some more questions for you, and you know I always have questions. Every day I've got questions, whether it's what page we're on, whether it's how are you, whatever it is, I have questions. So my questions today are, what was your favorite thing about online classes? What was the most important thing that you learned this session? And also, what would you like to see happen differently in the next session? We'll discuss your questions and answers when we speak again on Friday. Our next session starts Monday, August 31st. If your session was at 9:15, it stays at 9:15. If your session was at 10, it also stays at 10. The difference this time is we're working Mondays and Wednesdays. So next session starts Monday, August 31st. And please be prepared. I know that my 10 o'clock class has some homework, and our 9:15 class, we're going to start working together. So watch for my video prior to that class for your session at 9:15. Then thank you for all your hard work. You've made a tremendous difference in the ability to teach the class, to be a part of it. I've learned so much from you, and I'd like to continue to keep learning. You guys are amazing, and I appreciate all that you bring to the table. So thank you. So until we meet again and we start on August 31st, you take care, and thank you again. Be well.